Guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on Dolby Atmos on Samsung. Yeah, I know a lot of people don't know what that means, but you can see it right here. Dolby Atmos, this one right here. So let me show you how to turn that on. Go to your phone settings. Sorry, go to your phone settings and click on sound and vibration. Scroll down to sound quality and effects. So you can see the Dolby Atmos is turned on automatically once you connect it to your Bluetooth. So it's going to be connected, and you can see. So let's see what it actually does. Experience breakthrough audio for media playback that flows above and around you. This effect only works with headphone and Bluetooth headsets. You can see. So it's optimize sound automatically for whatever you listen to. So you can either choose for movie. If you want to watch a movie, you can just click on that, and it deliver the best possible audio for films, shows, and videos. You can pick for music, and music make all your music sound richer, fuller, and more balanced. Then voice, maybe on call, can just make your voice louder and clear, right? So I've just shown you how to actually turn that on and what it actually does. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.